Namaskar and good evening. I am Deepak Chauhan. I am not going to support this nationwide strike going to be organized by the farmers and going to be held on 8th December 2020 because this nationwide strike definitely impact our economy. We will going to face lots of losses because when material is transported from the rural sector to the urban sectors, when from the villages to cities, these all transportation will be affected, and the material like milk, vegetable and fruit will not supplied from rural sector to the urban sector. So this definitely bring lots of problems to the common people and to our children's. Actually, there is some propaganda is creating by the oppositions. This is the stunt, and this is the run of the law to find the lost ground of the Congress. The Congress and Aam Aadmi Party is provoking and instigating our farmers to do the movement and to do all these agitations. Now, they are misguiding and misconcepted our farmers. They are saying that they are not being paid or they are not being given the good cost of their crops and their uh, materials. Actually, this is false information is marketized by the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress. They are also saying that the market halls are stopped. There will be the issues in market halls, but market halls are not stopped. Market halls are still open, and market halls will remain open in future also. But the difference is this: the farmers is free to sell their crops or product anywhere in independent India. There's no broker, there's no space for brokers in this bill. This bill is totally favorable and constructive bill for the farmers. The Modi government is stand with the farmers. Modi government is committed for the farmers. Modi government is empowering and strengthening the farmers, making self reliant. Farmers are happy, but those who are involving in this or participation in this movement, they are political parties like Congress and Aam Aadmi parties. Farmers is not involving in this movement. So I have two questions, one from the Aam Aadmi party, another from the Congress. From Congress, I want to ask one question: why they did not passed any bill in last 70 years? Why they did not do any did not make any favorable bill for the farmers? And second questions from the Aam Aadmi party, that why Aam Aadmi party not make a good governments in Delhi? Why Aam Aadmi party not provide good shelter, good food and good meal to Delhi residents when they are suffering from many things, and they are suffering from the COVID-19? When a few months back, the residents of the Delhi were compulsive residents of the Delhi were forced to go back to their hometowns, but Delhi government did not provide any facility to the residents of Delhi. They were go back to their homes. So these all propaganda is created emerges by the political party, these regional parties creating the agenda, and those who are involving in this, they are searching their lost ground of the politics. So I uh, request and fold my hand that please, those who are involving in this movement, especially those farmers are misguided, please consider. And one more thing: when government is invited to retalk, government is invited to the farmer organization to make any amendment to reconsider the bill, why they did not go, and why they not support to this talk? So somewhere there's something is fishy in this will. So I request and my humble submission to all the farmers, please reconsider and stop all these things. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.